It is time for PlayStation 4 Mini for testing out the NES 8-bit power. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and today we are going to test out some NES games on the PlayStation 4 Mini. So let's go! And the first game we are going to try is Battle City. Come on, Tinky boy. Oh man, that was freaking horrible. Freaking bad. Oh. Power up. I really love this game. Drag him over or something like that. He spawn killed me! Thanks to my buddy Wildchild, and now I'm really loving this game. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this now. So happy song. Here, take an apple. Hi apple! Take an apple! Alright. Ow! I wanted to jump over it. Yeah, and the game seems to run. So yeah, also this game got perfect sound. The frame rate is very good. No problem at all. Ow. Ow! Yes! You stupid ninja! Come here! And we got another one here. This game so much of a child. There's a lot of people are yelling at the game because it's horrible, but yeah, I can still enjoy this game. I know, I'm wicked. Okay, now it's getting annoying. Hey, you can break those stars. That's really not. I never knew it. Give me some life. Right, nice. Let's go. But for the final conclusion, people, the NES part on the PS4 Mini is just working fine. Good frame rate, good sound, and do I have a turbo fist? Do I have a turbo button? No, we don't have a turbo button. But overall, really nice, and very pleased to see that this game is just working fine or their games are working fine. Because there are some platforms that got problems that the one game is working and the second game isn't working at all, or is stuttering. And I'm very pleased to see that it's working just fine. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to hit that little bell before getting notified. I'm going to try this. Oh, beat up this guy first. Yeah.